Welcome to our short video. It's introducing and explaining our timestamp app. First, I will start to explain what is a timestamp and the benefit of it. The advantage of eIDAS certified timestamps is that your documents enjoy integrity protection to European standards and are generally scanned for compliance with applicable regulations. With the timestamp app, you set a qualified timestamp. Now, let's have a look on the usual way to set a timestamp. A user scans documents and looks at them on the laptop to confirm the correctness with a manual visual check. The next step is to timestamp the digital document. For this process, the user must authorize. As a result, the timestamp can first be set by a certified trust center. And finally, the document is, for example, stored in the digital archive. A very complex process, which is much more efficient thanks to the timestamp app. As you can see, the process is significantly accelerated because a timestamp is set on the document directly at the MFG device. And at the same time, the document is immediately digitally stored. That's it. Time and effort can be saved in this way. Important time for companies and employees is thus gained. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.